So I just got out of the shower. I need to go ahead and get ready because today is the day of the breast cancer walk. I still have a couple things to get done before I head out, but I want to just get dressed, do my makeup, get the boys dressed, finish up what I gotta do, and then head out because I need to be there at least at 2, and I'm always running late. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, get dressed, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready and getting the boys ready. I'm working on still doing cutting out the runners numbers. I just gotta finish up a couple more and then I'll head out. I should be there around 2:30 and right now it's like 1. I don't live too far from where the event is being held at, so because it's in Queens, so it's not too bad. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up so I could head out. Hi.
What's up, YouTube?
Hi. Let me see. Is it good?
Thanks so much for coming.
Thank you. Oh, I gotta change his diaper. No. Ready?
One eternity later.
It's like 10 o'clock at night now. The last clip you guys saw was probably when I was at Red Lobster and changing Daniel's diaper. I think that's the last clip that I probably included in the edit. And it's been crazy since then. Julian's sleeping. He just got home a little while ago. Daniel's still up. He's playing in the living room. It's like, this is something I've always wanted to do, the whole YouTube thing. And it's just really hard to record everything that's going on. He's coming over here now. It's just that when the hard stuff is going on, it's hard for me to pull out a camera and record, you know? It's like I'm focusing on a meltdown, or I'm focusing on a tantrum, I'm focusing on whatever it is that's going on, you know? And yeah, today was crazy. So everything went fine at the walk, and it was actually really fun. It was beautiful. It was nice to be around everybody again since last year's walk, and that was really great. And that's like a highlight, because when I see people doing positive things, you know, and getting stuff accomplished, it kind of inspires me and pushes me to want to go ahead and go through with things that I want to do and projects that I have. But it's hard. Anyways, what ended up happening was that we went to Red Lobster, and then we had like a 40-hour wait. Like before kids and before all the autism stuff, we would have waited the 40 minutes, you know, whatever. Saturday, we don't have a reservation, it's Red Lobster, let's just wait. But it just gets so intense, and I want to be able to do like normal things, like go out for dinner on a Saturday, you know? It's not that Julian's giving me a hard time. It's not that Daniel's giving me a hard time. And it's not about like what they're doing to me or my experience. Flip it around and to think about it in their experience, you know? It's like, it's super overwhelming waiting 40 minutes as a child. You're overstimulated, and I have their iPads, I have snacks, I have you know, patient, and I don't like flip out, and I try to occupy them. When we walk, we go look at the lobsters, we go for a walk, we went to sprint, we do this, we do that, like to try to keep them busy. But it's just a lot. So like after waiting like literally like 45 minutes for a table, we were just like, all right, let's just get out of here, because it was too much, you know. And it just, I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, but it's just like, it's hard to do like normal things, you know. Look at this kid. Where are you going? Where are you going? You ready to go to sleep? Hey, kiss. Let me kiss. Say hi. I love them though. Okay? I complain about you, but I love you, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna look. I got this cute little thing. Good morning. So it's the next day, and I need to clean up the house because it's a complete wreck. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I just wanted to come up here and like chat a little bit, because I don't know, I was having kind of a hard time last night. I don't know, the good day was so good. Like I woke up, got a lot of stuff done, but you know, life, and it kind of ended kind of stressful, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and just say hi and say I'm feeling a lot better. I slept it off, and I'm ready to go get a bunch of stuff done. So follow me around as I clean up. Pigs are pink. All animals have a color of their own, except for chameleons. They change color wherever they go. Yellow, green. One day a chameleon. Yeah, I know. A chameleon. One day a chameleon. Well, you wanna read? All done? The book. Let's finish reading. The chameleon was black and long. You need help? The apple, manzana, mama manzana, mama manzana. What a yummy apple! That's a yummy apple! So I just finished cleaning up and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower because the boys are sleeping. I'm tired. I recently went to like TJ Maxx and picked up a bunch of stuff. And I figured maybe I could use some and then show you guys what I picked up and if I like it or not. This little box at TJ, and it was like $7. It's just like a hyaluronic acid thing. It's for your body though, which is pretty cool. Comes with a body wash, lotion, scrub, and a body butter. So it's a little set. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these things for the first time and see if I like it.
What is it?
The hyaluronic acid stuff. Look at how big these fit me. No.
The 5 limit one?
Yeah. Look at this.
Stress does work.
It does work.
Everybody just stress out.
Just fucking be super stressed out all the time. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but I also have no butt.
A few moments later.
I'm feeling like 1,000 times better. Washed my hair and was able to shave and relax and, you know, be kid-free for like 5 seconds. Let me move faster before the babies wake up, and then, you know, back to mommy mode. I'm gonna go ahead and do this very quickly. Straightening, smoothing, and protecting for all kinds of curls and textures. It's frizz control, and it's a heat protectant. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my hair, because I'm also gonna blow out my hair with the new Revlon thing I got. It's pretty cool. I used it a couple days ago to blow out my hair, and I really liked it. So I'm gonna go ahead and knot this mess and blow out my hair. I did my hair and stuff. I like it. It's pretty like basic, but I've just kind of been chilling and hanging out. My mom came over and we make some arroz con pollo. So I'm gonna go to the store because we have like nothing to drink. So I'm gonna get dressed because I'm just been chilling in my like Harry Potter pajamas. Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead, get dressed real quick so I can go to the store. But it's like super nasty out right now. I realized that I haven't like shown the babies all day. They're watching a movie. I'm eating my food. I already ate like most of it. It was so good, and I didn't think to like record. But it's kind of, people kind of think it's weird. But I like arroz con pollo with like banana on the side.
Daniel, you have your own plate.
Daniel's eating Chastity's food.
Have one.
I have like banana with it. It's weird, but it's good. It's weird, but it's good. No, you don't like it?
Too many textures going on.
I don't know, but it's only arroz con pollo. Like I won't have like anything else with it, like with banana. But the arroz con pollo. Hey.
I could eat like white rice with the banana, but this, it has like too many of its own flavors to be mixed with a whole banana.
You think?
A banana's so, a banana's super potent. So it has a very distinct taste.
I know. He messed up my whole situation I had here. Daniel, cógelo. Oh, ahí vienen. Hold on a second. Okay. Daniel. You want to sit on my lap? Okay. Where's your food? Come, eat your food. Yeah, I got your food. Here. Let me give you a spoon. Eat some rice. Yum. It's good? It's good? Yeah? Yum? Who's that? Who's that cute boy? But super good. It's been kind of a chill day at home. And the boys kind of just watched TV and played and stuff. I cleaned up, got myself had some me time, got myself together. My mom came over with my aunt, and then we were just like chit-chatting and cooking. A lot of chit-chat. I don't know how to do mukbangs. You just talk back. I don't know what to talk about. Like, what are you talking about? You should give me questions. Because the questions we did last time sucked. Like get to know me questions. Let's see. My name is Felicia. I don't know if you guys knew that. I don't think I've done like an intro yet. Or I did one a long time ago, but I haven't done a new one. So my name's Felicia. I have 2 boys. I'm a Gemini. My birthday's in May. I have 2 boys, Julian and Daniel.
No.
No?
Nah.
Nah.
No shoot.
Oh, you want my juice? It's iced tea. How old am I? I am 26? I'm 26. I'm 27. How old am I? Am I 27? How? You're 21. Yeah, I'm 27.
Yeah.
You know, kids do that to you. You just forget how old you are. 27.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm 27. Ah, that's not funny. He like whacked me in the face with the fork and then starts laughing. Here's your spoon.
No.
Yes, it had to get confiscated because you don't know how to behave.
No.
Alright, I'm gonna try to finish eating with this little boy. With this little boy. I'll be back later, I don't know. Let's see how the rest of the night goes. A good day. Good Sunday. Lazy Sunday. The usual. Right, Julian? So I'm gonna go ahead and put him to bed first because he has school tomorrow. So Daniel's still playing and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and have him go to sleep. Right, Julian? It's time to go to sleep?
What?
Yes. Time to go to sleep. Good night.